Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. How are all of you? I hope you all are fine, happy, and healthy. I am Kausar Liaquat, your math teacher from Divisional Public School and Intermediate College, Model Town, Lahore. I am happy to present this lecture. I hope you will be glad to listen this video lecture. This is lecture number 7 of mathematics for the students of level 2. Here you need some stationery items like pencil, eraser, notebook, countdown to 3rd edition so that you can write down the important points. Here is your first term syllabus. You can also download it from the official website of Divisional Public School and Intermediate College, Model Town, Lahore. In this lecture, we will study Chapter 2. In this lecture, we will learn addition from Chapter 2. Our topic is addition of multi-digit numbers. Learning objectives. At the end of this lecture, the students will be able to define addition, to solve addition sums quickly, to do quick calculations while shopping. Here we have some important points which we need to recall from our previous lecture. In lecture 6, we have learned about addition. Dear students, what do you know about addition? Oh yes, addition means joining, addition means combining, addition means to put things together. We should remember some important points while doing addition. We should always start to add the numbers from one's column. In addition, the order of the number doesn't matter. That is 5 plus 2 equals 7 and 2 plus 5 equals 7. The answer of the addition is called sum. Before doing addition, I am going to talk about numbers which you have learned in chapter 1. One digit number from 0 to 9. Two digit numbers from 10 to 99. And three digit numbers from 100 to 999. But what do we call if we have a bigger collection of all these numbers? It is called multi-digit numbers. In this lecture, we will learn addition of multi-digit numbers. Addition of one-digit numbers. We solve an example. Here we have 2 balls, 3 balls. We have 5 balls in all. So we can write 2 plus 3 equals 5. This is the horizontal form of addition sum of one digit numbers. इस तरह की एडिशन आपने 1 क्लास में भी सीखी है. अब हम इसकी वर्टिकल फॉर्म देखते हैं. वर्टिकल फॉर्म ऑफ एडिशन सम. एडिशन सम को हम वर्टिकल फॉर्म में भी लिख सकते हैं. So 2 balls, 3 balls, we have 5 balls altogether. Vertically इस तरह लिखेंगे 2 plus 3 equals 5. This is the vertical form of addition sum. We have an interesting example. 8 plus 5 equal 13. यहाँ 8 और 5 सिंगल डिजिट नंबर्स हैं. इनका सम 2 डिजिट नंबर आया है. Let's write this example in vertical form. 8 plus 5 equals 13. क्या हमने 13 को ठीक जगह पर लिखा है? No. In one's column, the maximum digit we can put is 9. So we cannot put 13 in the one's column. What should we do now? Recall your memory. In class 1, you have learned 13 equals 110 plus 3 ones. So we write 3 in the ones place of the answer and 1 to the top of the tens column. Since we don't have any other digit in the tens column, so we will write 1 to the tens place of the answer. Now we solve a question from page 26. Question 1. Do the given sums. Be careful with your column. F part 3 plus 7. 3 plus 7 equals 10. Now we write 0 in the ones place of the answer and 1 to the top of the tens column. Since we have no other digit in the tens column, so this one will be carried out in the tens place of the answer. So the answer of this question is 10. Page 27, question 2. Complete the following. G part. Question is 7 plus 9. 7 plus 9 equals 16. We write 6 in the ones place of the answer and 1 to the top of the tens column. Since there is no other digit in the tens column, so we will write 1 in the tens place of the answer. So 7 plus 9 equals 16. Now we will do addition of two-digit numbers without converting ones. The problem is 52 plus 37. Be careful while writing the numbers. For 52, you will write 5 in the tens column and 2 in the ones column. For 37, you will write 3 in the tens column and 7 in the ones column. Now add digits from the ones column. 2 plus 7 equals 9. Write 9 in the ones place of the answer. Now add digit from the tens column. 5 plus 3 equals 8. So write 8 in the tens place of the answer. So the answer of this problem is 89. Page 25, question 1. Complete these sums. Part C, 47 plus 41. Now we add digit from the ones column. 7 plus 1 equals 8. So write 8 in the ones place of the answer. Now add the digit from tens column. 4 plus 4 equals 8. So write 8 in the tens place of the answer. So 47 plus 41 equals 88. Addition of two-digit numbers with converting ones. We have a problem 68 plus 15. So we add digit from the ones column. 8 plus 5 equals 13. We write 3 in the ones place of the answer and 1 to the top of the tens column. In tens column, we have 1 plus 6 plus 1 which is equals 8. So write 8 in the tens place of the answer. So 68 plus 15 equals 83. Page 30, question 6, part G. 46 plus 9. Be careful while writing the numbers. You should write 9 in the ones place. 6 plus 9 equals 15. Now write 5 in the ones place of the answer and 1 to the top of the tens column. In tens column, we have 1 plus 4 which is equals 5. So write 5 in the tens place of the answer. So 46 plus 9 equals 55. Page 30, question 7. Add these, part C. 17 plus 58. Now we will add digit from the ones column. 8 plus 7 equals 15. Now write 5 in the ones place of the answer and 1 to the top of the tens column. Now in tens column we have 1 plus 5 equals 7. So write 7 in the tens place of the answer. So 17 plus 58 equals 75. Page 31, question 9. Write the sum in the box and find the answer. C part, Maha plants 25 trees, Aisha plants 18 more. How many trees do they plant altogether? यहाँ हमसे पूछा गया है कि माहा और आयशा ने मिलकर कितने दरख्त लगाए हैं। अब हम सोच रहे हैं कि 25 और 18 को ऐड करें या सब्ट्रैक्ट करें। तो इसके लिए पहले एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन की डेफिनेशन को देखेंगे। एडिशन मीन्स टू पुट थिंग्स टुगेदर, चीज़ों को इकट्ठा करना, एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन मीन्स टेकिंग अवे, निकालना। तो हम 25 और 18 को ऐड करेंगे। आइए अब इस क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व करते हैं। But be careful while writing the numbers. 25 is a two-digit number, so we will write 2 in the tens column and 5 in the ones column. And for 18, 1 in the tens column and 8 in the ones column. Now add digit from the ones column. 8 plus 5 equals 13. We write 3 in the ones column of the answer and 1 to the top of the tens column. In tens column, 1 plus 2 plus 1 equals 4. So we write 4 in the tens place of the answer. So 25 plus 18 equals 43. So Maha and Aisha plant 43 trees altogether. Page 33, question 1. Now add these, part E. Question is 723 plus 165. In ones column, we have 3 plus 5 equals 8. In tens column, 2 plus 6 equals 8. In hundred column, 7 plus 1 equals 8. So 723 plus 165 equals 888. Page 34, question 1. Now add these. D part. Question is 307 plus 673. We start adding from the ones column. 7 plus 3 equals 10. We write 0 in the ones column of the answer and 1 to the top of the tens column. In tens column, 1 plus 7 equals 8. In hundred column, 3 plus 6 equals 9. So 307 plus 673 equals 980. Addition of three-digit numbers with converting tens and ones. Page 40. Question 1. Complete these converting where necessary. Part R. Question is 748 plus 168. Add the digit from the ones column. We have 8 plus 8, 16. We will write 6 in the ones place of the answer, 1 to the top of the tens column. Now from tens column we have 1 plus 4 plus 6 equals 11. We write 1 in the tens place of the answer and 1 to the top of the hundred column. Now add the digit from hundred column. So 1 plus 7 plus 1 equals 9. So we write 9 in the hundred place of the answer. So We have 916. Dear students, I hope you have got the concept very well. Here we have some important points which you need to think. When you add, do you get fewer or more objects than the number of objects you started with? Do you have to count to add 0 to any number? Do you have to count to add 1 to any number? Listen lecture 6 and 7 carefully. You will get the answer. Now it's your homework time. Chapter 2, Topic Addition. Solve addition sums on your book from the related pages of your first term syllabus. Thank you so much. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. Allah Hafiz.